Hello everyone. Today we are going to perform a retail POS end-to-end cycle. So we will perform here today complete transaction once we started the store. What we have to do in the morning when we are coming to the store and opening the POS and opening the sheets and declaring the amount and everything. Actually, it's a complete cycle what we are going to do today here. So let's get started. I will perform uh, complete transaction as I showing this Excel sheet. So I will open POS and declare the start amount. Then I will sell some items by cash and Visa. Then after that, end of the day, if you are going to close the sheet, I have to take the print X report. Then I have to compare the cash in hand and the X report, which is matching or not. And also after that, I have to declare the tender. So if you, let's say, you declare the start as 1,000 and we have some sale, then you have a cash amount of 200. So 1,000 plus 200, that is your cash in hand. So you have to declare that in the end of the day. Then after that, you have to close the sheet. Then the SE report will print the automatically. So this is the cycle actually. As a sales perspective, we have to do actually. There are other things as well. I will show you later on. But first, we will do a transaction with sale with cash and Visa. Okay, this is the POS from the store, and I have a remote session here. So I just opened the retail modern POS. This is the one. It's opening. I think there's some. Okay, fine. This is the sign in page. So every employee has a for the retail store. Every employee has linked their employee master with retail store. So whoever is going to perform the POS transaction, I already linked their employee ID with the stores. So you can perform login with your employee ID as well. So this is my employee ID. I'm going to open this one. Okay, now it's asking for me because a new shift. This is the first time I'm opening today, so it's asking for me and then open a new shift. So I will do this open a shift. Okay, so this is a shift number 9, and this is the register number 500301. That means 5003 is my store number and 01 is my register number. So this is my register number now here. So here we can see there are some tabs like products, categories, transaction, items, and if you want to log out, you can go here, log off and log register. So these are the basic options available here. So let's see. Here we have some tabs here. There is a price tag, inventory lookup, journal. So journal means if you have performed last day transaction, if you want to check that, we can go there. And reports, we have around 14 reports are available in the POS itself. It's a great thing actually. You can monitor, you can see the complete reports there. And this helps. This is different. It's related to IT only. And return transactions you can hear and recall order. So let's go to the main point. We can go to sale. Then the first thing we have to declare the start amount. So let's say I have 1,000 dirham in my store as a starting amount. So I will go to task, then I will press declare start. So this is the declaration here. So it's asking for hardware because I have disabled the hardware station for time being because I don't want to print too much papers. So let's say yes, okay, I want to perform this transaction. Then I have 1,000 dirham. So I have entered the 1,000 dirham here. So let's okay, then 1,000 is the one here. So I have to save it here. So this is a save button. I will save it. So it will basically it will print once you save, it will automatically print one slip that is mentioning that you have a declared amount of 1,000 dirham. So when you are starting, you will have a one slip 1,000 dirham. After doing the sales, you have a sales copy receipts actually. And once you finish the day, you are going to take the X report. So X report you can compare the amount which you declare the which products which you sold, everything. So you can have a better idea, and you will get a good idea about your cash in hand if there is any missing or something. So this is how we are doing the in stores actually. So let's say we are going to save some items. So okay, we are in task actually. We already declared the start amount. So I'll go to number pad. We have here actually you can add the products by different ways actually. But the main thing, it's a very easy process is you can scan the products. So it will automatically come in here. So if you are otherwise you know the number of item number you can add here like this. This is also second way, and otherwise if you want to check the product you can type here there is a product uh, available here or not, just let's say. So it is available like this, so you can add from here as well. And there is one more, we can click here, you can ask, you can check the by categories. So there are different ways we can add the products into the transaction window. So I will do one transaction right now. This is my one product. It's asking once you add the product or scan the product, it will ask for you the badge if it is a batch available product. So I will select the first batch. Okay, then it's asking for you are a cashier or a sales store manager. So I will do sales manager. So let's see what is the details. So this is my item: dominant sun protection SPF, and this is my barcode, and this is my label barcode is with price, and then this is my batch number and quantity and then the price. Okay, then I have to sell this item by cash. So what I will do, then I will check this one thing and I will go to cash and I will make it cash. So this is the amount, 130 is the amount. So let's say customer is giving 150 or 200, let's say 200. So we will press 200. So system definitely automatically say that you have to give a change 70 dirham to customer. So we will give 70 dirhams, then 130 is our due amount, then we will close it. So automatically the system will open the drawer, then you will press OK and then close the drawer. Then if you press here last, then it will print the receipt as well. Okay, we have done one transaction with cash sale. So if you want to check that one, actually, you can go here, task and show journal. You will see the date 26, today date, and you have performed one sale that the receipt number, it's 130 dirham. And if you want to check, this is the amount. So this is how we are checking the previous transaction, what we have done in the previous day or previous hours like that. So you can also see the receipt as well here in the down bottom. You can see show receipt. So you will see what is the receipt here. Okay. Then I'm going to do another transaction with another item, but I will do this one with Visa. So the same process you can see, and I will go with Visa only. So this is the 180 dirham, but I press Visa. So Visa, of course, we will do only the exact amount only. There is no change anything. So we will type the 180 dirham, then OK press. So it's asking for change nothing, zero. It's okay, fine. Then it will open the drawer and it will print the receipts. So I have done two transactions here. Let's check that one actually. Show journal. So we have two transactions here today. One is the receipt number, one is with Visa and one is with cash. So this is Visa actually. So you can see the receipt one here, show receipt. So you can see Visa amount here, and there is a post ID, that Visa register number, the post number, and cashier ID. This is my login credential, the receipt number, and the time, date. Okay. Then our next one is actually I'll show you some reports, because we have done some like couple of two transactions actually. So I'll show you some reports. You can see here sales by staff. I told you in the beginning actually there is a 14 kind of reports available in the POS itself, In from this 14, actually 12 are benefit for you because this two data sync download status and upload status for actually IT related. So you don't need to check it for this one. And so if you want to check how many transaction I have performed today in terms of payment types, or let's say I don't remember how much transaction I have done in Visa, or I have done in some of somehow you lost some let's say the account or the receipt anyway. So you can come here and you can go to store sales by payment type report. Then you can filter by the date. So it will show you how many transactions you have done in cash, in Visa, in currency, whatever. So let's check. See, this is the transaction we have made today. So the first line, I mean the second bottom from bottom, the first line add removed tender float. That means you have declared amount 1000 dirham. Okay, that is the 1000 dirham. We have a graph saved here. So you have declared 1000 as the declare start. Then you have performed two transactions. That is two tended transactions are two actually here. See, that is one for declare amount and another for cash the transaction. So 1000 plus 130, that means 1130. Then from Visa itself only 180, only one transaction we have performed. So 180 is the Visa. So this is how we are checking the transaction by payment types. And also we can check, let's say if the manager want to check what is the sales in the particular hours. So you can check the store sales by hour. So store sales by hour. It will be on 26. Okay, just okay. Let's say what will be the so in between 11 to 12, we have done two transactions and we have sold quantity like amount of total amount of 3110 actually. So this is how we are checking the reports. You can see the graphs as well here. And here we have like a sales by staff. So if you want to check if there are multiple staffs are performing the transaction, you can check that one. Right now, only one person has done the transaction. That's why it's showing only one. So you can check that one even here. And we have here store sales by register. This is actually not applicable here because if you have multiple registers, multiple POS system in the store, so it will show by registers. Register means the POS system. So we have only one register here, so that's only one. And there is a store return transaction that will show in different video actually. So we have a top 10 products. So that means if there is a top 10 products like fast moving products, if you want to know, you can see here these are the top 10 products. Okay, and store transactions return, store sales by discount. If there is any discount applied, you can check here. And store say store price overrides. That means if somebody changed the price from the POS itself, store voidedly blind details. So if we can see here, but I don't know. Let's see, we can do it from a previous date. Let's say it's on 10th of this one. Let's say if there is a, yeah, of course here there are some transaction with voided lines. So you can see here return sales by staff. Okay, let's see. We have any return? Let's see. No, there is no data actually. So that will perform after the sales return process. And if you want to check the day summary of the day, so it's very good report actually. You can see the unique items sold, transaction number of transaction and amount, everything here. So this is also a good report actually for the store people. That's all from the report side, and we have performed the two transaction. Okay, then let's say we are going to close the store or close the shift by end of the day, or maybe the middle of the day we are closing like a first shift or second shift. Let's assume that. So what I will do then, I will go to the print X report, then I will print it. So you will get one, if you press this one, you will get the printout of X report. So you will perform, you will compare the X report with your cash in hand and everything. It's like bank everything. So you will get it actually. So after that, what you will do, you have to declare the tender. So let's say we performed 1,000 as a declaration, start declaration. Then we have performed one sales transaction, got 130. So what I will do here, I will say 1,130 is okay. 1,130 is my cash in hand today. Then I will press OK button. Then I will save it. So it will print also one declaration receipt, so you can keep it there for financial purpose. You can send to your head office or somewhere, because like that then the declaration have okay, we have declared that and that, and after that there is a second last thing, we have to close the shift, because until unless if you do not close the shift, the financial impact will not be there, because when you close the shift, it will automatically print the Z report actually. So let's close this shift. No active address. Okay, fine. This is printing. So once you close the shift, it will automatically log off from that particular user. So if you are opening again, it will ask for you the new shift. Let's see how it will be. I'm going to open again. So it will ask for open a new shift. So that is the thing. If you are opening new shift, you will get a shift number, and it will register as a shift. So we have to do this process again. So let's say open a drawer, non-drawer operation. So I'm not doing anything. I will not say in this process. I cannot sell anything actually. I can do the price checking. Let's say if I want to check the price of some item. Okay, this is an item. This is my store. Let's say inventory lookup. Let's say what is the inventory of that particular item. Here it will show wherever we have a form, like a let's it will show all the stores. So this item is available in Sharjah store, like 1,000 more. Same in Abu Dhabi as well. So this is how we are checking the inventory lookup. So we can even inform the customer if you have multiple branches or stores. You can even inform the customers that you can go by here, or I can sell it from here, like that. So let's see. Then show journal means you know that it's previous transactions. It's like a transaction journals. Okay, then we have report, same I explained before. This is the report. Let's say we can go to sale, but I cannot sell anything because let's see this one, it will allow me or not. No, because a shift is not currently assigned, the operation cannot be completed. So without shift, like I mean, you have to open the shift to in order to sell something, and also you have to declare something. Otherwise, you cannot close the shift as well. So this is most important thing always. Whenever you are opening a store and you are coming to the store, first thing you have to do, open the shift, then declare the start amount. Because opening shift will notify you that when you are opening to POS and you are logging to POS, it will ask you to open a shift. So we don't need to bother about opening shift. So we will do that one. But declare start, that is the important thing, but it will not pop up anything. So you have to do it manually. So that is an important thing, because until unless if you do not declare the start, you cannot close the shift. So once you done every transaction, it will ask you are going to close the shift. It will not allow you to close the shift actually. So these are the things actually right now. I hope you are understood everything. Okay, I will log off it again. Okay, thank you.